Hi, this is Rich with Inside HPC. We're here at SC16 in Salt Lake City, and this afternoon we're at the SGI booth with Gabriel Broner. Gabriel, welcome to Salt Lake.
Thank you, Rich. How are you today?
Oh, great. We're almost at the end of the show here, but I'm glad we had a chance to catch up because a lot's happened with SGI since we last spoke. Can you bring us up to speed?
Yeah, just a few little changes. But let me tell you first, in terms of products, here you can see ICE XA, which is a fantastic machine, scales very nicely, gives you great application performance at scale. It's been a success in places like NCAR, the National Center of Atmospheric Research, that is being installed right now. And what's happening is this machine will allow us to understand climate over decades. It will understand how much precipitation is going to be next year in one location and what crops to plant, or it's going to help us with hurricane paths that is going to save lives. So it's a fantastic system for that. I think we also, something that happened last week, we won the TI-16 DoD modernization program with the same machine. And the ICE line has been great at NASA Ames. Total has the biggest system in the industry in the world. So you can see ICE XA with the acrylic and see the inside and support for different blades. If you walk around the booth, you also can see the UV system, the large memory system that works for problems that don't fit very well in a distributed node, in a distributed memory, and it's being used also in the enterprise. Also, you can see multi-ray lustre, so now you can connect these big UV systems with lustre in a cluster and share data high speed. And ultimately, it's the solutions we build that matters. So, for example, we're able to do computational fluid dynamics, do car designs, and be able to do the complete design of a car without a wind tunnel, or a complete design of a plane and then the plane flies. That's a fantastic thing. Right here, you see a car designed with our systems, which is a fantastic achievement. So this has been SGI and the kind of things we're showing today. The news in the last few weeks is that 2 weeks ago, we're finally merged with HPE, Hewlett Packard Enterprise. So we've been doing the last 2 weeks, because we couldn't do it before, is figure out roadmaps, and we met pretty much every day. I'm happy to tell you that the ICE XA product will continue to be a flagship product for the upper part of the market. The UV system will continue to exist. The people are coming over. The engineering and the manufacturing that we have uniquely in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and all over the world is going to continue to be present for HPE. And what happens is, at SGI, we have focused in the upper part of the market. We have the people who understand the customers, the people who build the solutions, the salespeople, the SEs, the application experts that really work well in support of the upper part of the HPC market. That is going to be complemented very nicely with what HPE does, which is fantastic volume. So what you're going to see is a roadmap that brings them together. It'll take a bit of time. Our challenge is not screw it up and do it well. But if we do it well, it's a fantastic merger between two companies that are very complementary, that bring technologies, people, and expertise into different segments of the market with very little overlap. So we're very happy with the merger.
I am so happy to hear that, Gabriel, because it's all about the people. Yeah, and I think Bill Manell was saying on stage that he couldn't have hired this many people in 10 years individually, and now he gets all that HPC expertise coming on board. It's really exciting.
This is what it took for Bill and I to work together again. It was a bit expensive, but I'm happy to be working with Bill again.
It is a great combination, and I wish you the best going forward, and it's great to hear that the customers are going to get that continuation of those products going forward as we head on to Exascale.
Perfect, that's a plan, and there's more going on, more money to invest in research in the combined company, so you're going to see us there.